that bill, the Saskatchewan Strategy for Suicide Prevention Act 2021, be now read a second time.
Doyle Vermette, MLA for Cumberland and critic for mental health, says Bill 601 is something he's been pushing for years.
The bill's been introduced as the member for Cumberland riding as MLA, and I've presented the bill 3 times.
While he's happy the bill was passed, he's disappointed it took so long. Vermette first proposed it in 2018.
Friday, Bill 601, the provincial-wide suicide strategy bill, was passed. But going beyond that, to have, the first time the bill was introduced, it unfortunately died on the order desk. It didn't make it. The second time, it did get to a vote, and it got voted down by all members of the government. The Sask Party government voted it down.
Vermette says he kept pushing it because of families who kept urging him to help.
Parents, those who have lost loved ones, asked us to continue and asked me to continue to not give up. And of course, we said we wouldn't, and we tried our best to bring awareness.
The bill states that the health ministry must establish a provincial strategy for suicide prevention. The provincial government will have 180 days to build a suicide prevention strategy with consultation from groups like FSIN. Chief Bobby Cameron, the chief of the Federation of Sovereign Indigenous Nations, say they have been preparing for this and consulting with the communities and youth.
Our First Nation people right at the ground level, those teachers, those kokums, those mushrooms, those moms, those dads, and more importantly, those youth, that their voices are heard, that the direction that they're recommending is fully implemented to the fullest extent.
Cameron adds the community, specifically the youth, have already said what needs to be done.
We've already had some really good recommendations the last couple of years. There's a lot of lands-based programs, the cultural and language component, that holistic approach are just some items.
Priscilla Wolf, APTN National News, Saskatoon.